All right, we're looking at the transmission, doing a drain and fill on it. All right, it's coming down to kind of a trickle here, reaching just over 3.5 quarts, 3 quarts there, 7 pints. So there it is. We can let this trickle out to maybe squeeze out 4 quarts or not. That's really it. Pretty easy to drain it. We know how much we got out. We're going to add this much back in. And we'll put the plug in and go up top for filling and checking fluid level. So under the hood, got that cap, just unscrews. And we can put our transmission fluid funnel and transmission fluid in there. Got my 4 quarts. Drop it in there. Now I'm gonna actually, as well, I'm gonna do it twice. The fluid was dark enough, so I'm gonna add my 3.5 quarts, run it for 15-20 minutes, and maybe run it through the gears as well. 15 or 20 seconds in each gear, and then I'm gonna drain it and repeat the process, and then we'll see about checking the fluid level. But I'm going to put these bottles, 3.5 quarts, in the funnel, put the cap back on, and then run it. Got done with my second draining, 106 inch-pounds on this. I did put a little thread sealant on it. Not sure it's required, but there you go. 106 inch-pounds if you're torquing things down. That's not very tight. 185 degrees to 203 degrees, that is the window they want you to check the transmission fluid level at, so make sure you have access to a scan tool of some type, a pocket reader of some kind, something to read the transmission fluid temperature to do an accurate job for changing your fluid. Right now we're just at 127, so we got a little ways to go. It's kind of winter here, so I'm going to keep it inside where it's a little warmer, maybe warm up quicker. Got a stick on the gas pedal to rev up the engine a little bit, so we'll just monitor this, and when we get to the right temperature, then what we do is go down here and pull a plug out and see if fluid comes out. Pull that plug out, and if fluid trickles out, then it's the proper level. If nothing comes out, we can add a little bit more at a time until fluid comes out. If it gushes out, it's too full, we'll just let it run out until it's a trickle, I suppose, and maintains that proper temperature window. That's the basic idea. Well, we're maintaining at 185 degrees, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this plug and see what happens here. And we have nothing coming out, so we're going to add a little fluid until we get some dribbling out. It's fairly easy to do. All right, we're going to add a little fluid until we get some fluid come out. We want it to be dripping out. Add a little bit. And some fluid, make sure my funnel's pulled up so the fluid flows. Just going to keep adding fluid, and we'll see where we're at. I'll show you the trickling out. Alright, it seems to be dribbling out. Oh, the temperature dropped down to 159. We'll have to bring that back up, I suppose. We'll bring it back up and check our fluid level here.